Hello everyone, I hope you people are good. Let's start today's topic. Topic is graphs. For classwork, we will do the pages number 227 and 228 of book 1 and pages number 158 and 159 of workbook 1B. First of all of you take out your book 1, open the page number 227. Put date and day at the top of your page. Now hold your pencils in your hands. Start writing the answers with me. I will read the questions first and then I will tell you the answers. Please start writing the answer with me. Your question is, the graph shows the number of jellies 4 children ate. Your A part is, how many jellies did Jenny eat? Now count the number of the jellies. Yes, Jenny ate 2 jellies. So you will write it down the 2. In front of A part, write down the answer 2. Now your B part is, how many jellies did Mark eat? How many jellies Mark eat? 4. Your answer is 4. Your C part is, how many more jellies did Jenny eat than Tom? Jenny ate 2, Tom ate 1, so 2 minus 1, your answer is 1. So you will write it down in front of part C, 1. Your part D is, how many fewer jellies did Mary eat than Mark? Mary ate 3. Mark eat 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. This is how you will write it on the answer of part D. Your E part is, how many jellies did the children eat all together? Now count all the jellies. Number of jellies are 10. So your answer is 10. Now open the next one page, the page number 228. Put date and day at the top of your page. Now I am going to read the question. The graph shows the ice cream flavors liked by 30 children. These are the ice cream flavors: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, biscuits and cream, sweet corn. Each smiley stands for one child. Now put your finger on part A. How many children like vanilla flavor? Count how many smileys are there in vanilla flavor. 6. So this means 6 children like vanilla flavor. So in front of A part, write down 6. Part B. How many more children like biscuits and cream flavor than sweet corn flavor? Biscuit and cream flavor, how many smileys are there? 7. And sweet corn, 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So your answer is 3. Your C part is, how many fewer children like strawberry flavor than chocolate flavor? Chocolate flavor, 8 smileys, so 8 children like the chocolate flavor. Strawberry flavor, 5 children like. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So your answer is 3. Your D part is, which is the most popular ice cream flavor? When you will count the smileys one by one, you will see there are 8 smileys in chocolate flavor. So 8 children like the chocolate flavor. So your most popular ice cream flavor is chocolate. So in front of part D, write it down the spelling of chocolate. This is how you will do this one page. Now open your workbook 1B. Page number is 158. Put date and day at the top of this one page. Your question is, Andy made a picture graph of the toys he has, filling the boxes with the correct answers. Now the graph is given. Look at this one graph and give me the answer of these one questions, and you will write it down the answers inside the boxes. Now hold your pencils. Put your finger on part A. Andy has dash toys all together. Okay, how many lorries are there? 6. Aeroplanes, 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now how many cars are there? 7. So 10 plus 7 is 17. So if you will count all the toys, so Andy has how many toys? 17. So you will write it down inside the box 17. Your B part is, he has dash more cars than aeroplanes. First count the number of cars. 7. Number of aeroplanes. 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So your answer is 3. Write it down inside the box of part B. Now put your finger on part C. There are dash fewer aeroplanes than lorries. Count the number of aeroplanes. 4. Lorries 6. 6 minus 4 is, yes, 2. So write it down 2 inside the box. Your part D is, Andy has dash aeroplanes and cars all together. Number of cars, 7. Number of aeroplanes, 4. So 7 plus 4 is 11. So answer of part D is 11. Write it down inside the box. Very good. Now come on the next one page. Page number 159. Put date and day at the top of your page. Your question is, look at this picture graph. It shows the vegetables mother bought in the market, filling the boxes with the correct numbers. Now hold your pencils. Read part A. Mother bought dash carrots. Number of carrots are 4. Write it down inside the box 4. Tomato. Count the number of tomatoes. 5. Write it down inside the box. Potato. 7. Write it down inside the box. And chilies. 8. Write it down inside the box. Very good. Now put your finger on part B. She bought dash more potatoes than tomatoes. Number of potatoes are 7. Number of tomatoes 5. 7 minus 5, 2. Write it down 2 inside the box. Your C part is, she bought dash fewer carrots than potatoes. Number of carrots 4. Number of potatoes 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. So write it down 3 inside the box. This is the answer of part C. Now your D part is, she bought dash fewer tomatoes than chilies. Count the tomatoes. 5. Chilies 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. Write it down 3 inside the box. Very good. Now this is how you will do the page number 159. That is it for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.